Hello and welcome to today's video on Everfit's workout collections. The workout collections allow you to build on-demand libraries of workouts for your clients so they can always go back to them whenever they want. I want to start off by showing you where to find this feature. So all you have to do is go onto the studio page and then you'll see the workout collections, the on-demand workouts and the workout libraries. So these are all a part of this category. So the first one I want to focus on is the on-demand workouts. So when you want to add a new on-demand workout, you can click onto add new workout and you get a choice of a regular workout, which is built within Everfit's workout builder, and a video workout. So I'll start off by showing you what a regular workout looks like. So you can add the name, the description, you can choose the workout from your library, and then you can also add custom labels to allow later filtering for your clients. A video workout is very similar. You can add the name, the description, and you can simply add any Vimeo or YouTube links, and then that will pop up straight away for your clients. Share those workouts with your clients, you'll split them up into collections. So I have some examples of collections here. The collection I'm going to focus on today is the running workouts. You'll see when I click into that, there's 3 main categories. When you click into a category, you'll be able to see those individual workouts that you've added with those custom labels too. You'll be able to choose which categories are active whenever you want. You can also change the format depending on how you like your clients to view it. To add a client, it's really simple. You just go onto clients. Again, you'll be able to add individual clients or add all clients at once. There are other ways that you can add clients automatically to workout collections through our Zapier integration and also our payment system. So if you are interested in learning how to do that, there'll be other videos that we're making based on this. So keep an eye out. But I hope this video was helpful today. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out.